Lesson 1.1.2, Analyzing and Sorting Graphs. In this video, we will identify the domain and range of a situation using words and inequalities. So the directions say, identify the domain and range of each situation using words and inequalities. 13. Victoria recently switched to a new electric company. If she uses between 0 and 400 kilowatt hours of electricity per month, the cost is a set price of $30. If she uses 400 kilowatt hours or more per month, the price is 0.097 cents per or $0.097 per kilowatt hour. So the domain is the electricity, use in kWh, and it would be X is greater than or equal to 0. And this is because it starts at 0 and she can use as much electricity as she chooses. And so that's why it's greater than or equal to 0. The range is going to be the cost. Okay, the range is the monthly cost in dollars. And this would be Y is greater than or equal to the minimum cost, which is $30. Okay. So looking at this, the electricity is what she is controlling, right? She controls how much electricity she uses. The cost depends on how much electricity she uses. So the range would be what's dependent, and the domain is what is independent. So again, I'm going to read 14, and then I want you to pause it and try it. 14 says, Ronan is at an amusement park. While waiting in line, he reads the statistics on the roller coaster he is about to board. The coaster reaches a maximum speed of 75 miles per hour, and the ride lasts for 3 minutes. So before you pause it, I'm going to throw a little hint out here. There's a unit of measure, miles per hour. We've talked about this before. So what I'd like you to do now is pause it, try it on your own, and then unpause it and check to see how you did. Now that you've tried it, so the domain, well, we have a rate going on here, right? Miles per hour. So the domain is going to be the time in minutes. And that would be, well, from 0 to 3. Okay. At the starting time, you're at 0. By the time you get done, you're at 3 minutes. Okay, that's the whole length of the ride. The range would be the distance in miles. And this would go from, this would be y is going to be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, we know when it starts at distance 0, and it goes until the end of the ride, which is whatever the distance, the length of the ride is, which we don't have. And that's how you identify the domain and range of each situation using word problems or words and inequalities. Don't forget to do your extra practice problems.